Our first guest this week joins us in studio, Mr. Warren Wang. Warren is the CEO of a company called ChineseInvestors.com Incorporated. The stock symbol CIIX. Warren, great to have you back in the studio.
Nice to meet you, Donald.
Well, of course, now we had you in New York last week at the
Yes.
NIBA convention, National Investment Bankers Association. How did that convention go for you?
Actually, to be honest, we are just media sponsor, it's not much going on. I mean, for myself, because I went back to my office.
Okay.
I think it's a great experience doing the live interview with you over the satellites,
Right.
over the videos. So it's a great meeting. I met someone, but I went back to the office because I have a meeting at 2 o'clock. But I met our old friend, Single Point CEO, Greg. He was so excited. In the meantime, I'm so excited to come back to the program to tell you investor what's going on. Even the stocks went lower, hit a 52 weeks low. But I just try to express my thinking about my stocks over here for my shareholders. Because last I checked our shareholder list, it's not on OTCQB. I only see like 400. It's not correct because
Right.
I did a Noble list about 4,000 to 5,000 shareholders.
Really?
Yes, since 2015, because we have a new two division. One is hemp oil, one is cryptocurrencies.
Right.
So people, more speculating on our stocks, more shareholders. So every time I show up on your TV, show up on NIBA long distance, I always try to express my confidence to the company. First of all, I don't sell any single my stocks. Even I purchased way back 2013, 2014 when nobody wanted to buy the stock at 25, 35, 45 cents. So I didn't sold it at $2.75.
Okay.
I can, but I legally I bought it from the open market.
Right.
I can do the fighting, sell my
Sure,
stock,
of
make
course.
10 baggers. But I have a lot of shareholders coming because they like my stock. They bought $2.50. Even my sister-in-law, she said, "What's going on? Should I buy the stock at $1.75?" So I don't want to sell it because it look bad.
Sure.
But that's how I want to try to use in your program to say to my shareholders, like, I didn't sell my stock and I have a very confidence about my company, my project, and everything doing well. We're making progress. Secondly, we don't have a toxic financing. We try to stay alive and still making progress. Thirdly, we have 70 employees over the world, China and US. 3 city location. We are expanding. It's burning the money, but I think if I doing something, I will put a long-term plan
Right.
on my project. Like cryptocurrency is my project, so we can see revenue might not that good as before. But I think cryptocurrency, we have banking, we have education, we have media, we have a trading platform, all ready to go, all already placed. I think 2019, 2020 will be good for us and for our shareholders.
Well, it's interesting. I've been doing this program for a long time, 1,030 episodes, 22 years.
Wow.
I've met a lot of CEOs. You're one of the
Yes.
most enthusiastic CEOs about your company that we've had on the program. But
Yes.
your company and you specifically are very bullish on this cryptocurrency.
Sure. I think we need. I think cryptocurrency. First of all, it only have 20 million coins. I used to collect the stamps. 1978. There's a monkey stamps from China. It's from 8 cents Chinese RMB. Right now, worth about 50,000 RMB.
Wow.
The reason is the stamps is it's only issue about 500,000
I see.
stamps, and then there's a lot of collection use. So that's mean the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is only one, the first one, and only have 21 million coins. In China, we have 1.4 billion people.
Right.
In Shanghai alone, we have 30 million people.
Wow.
So just imagine the people getting more used to, they learn from the media, they see, wow, cryptocurrency, I need to collect one. So they start buying, and there's no so much supply over there.
Right, exactly.
So I talked to a lot of stock experts. They say, oh, crypto going down, going down. I say, that's hard. For example, Chinese investor stocks, it's have a 50 million or 27 million share flow. So it's down to 1 cent. It will be $270,000
Wow.
worth.
Right.
There's no way down to 1 cent because as long as you keep the supply stable, the demand coming, the stock will be 50 cents tomorrow. The reason is supply and demand. So I think the reason I'm positive on the crypto because it's very unique and it's very, it's a limit supply and they close the supply door windows to everyone. So government cannot change it, CEO cannot change it. That's very beauty part of cryptos.
Best explanation I've heard to date. Once again, ChineseInvestors.com, CIIX. Thanks for joining us, Warren. Always a pleasure.
Yeah, I hope I can see you next week here because I want to talk to you more about my business. But I think I just want to have put the confidence on my company first.